All right, as you saw in the thumbnail, we're going to be replacing the hood strut for this 2007 Toyota Tundra SR5 4.7 liter. You can do this on any car where there's a strut clip here. Just pull the clip out. Same goes here. Pull that clip out and it should pop in a new one. So I got this from Amazon. I think $17, $20. So here's their product ID for this car. It could be different for your car, but it's from Amazon. I'm just gonna pop a new one in because right now it's a piece of 2x3 holding up this hood, so it doesn't crush me. All right, let's get it. Got a little automotive pick here, a little clamp that holds this whole thing in, so you can pop that out. Keep that there. You know what this is, you watch this channel. Oh yeah, it's coming down. It's a coming down. This one, look at the top. So this one's kind of rusty, the one up top. But don't worry, we'll get this done. Come on. Seriously. Problem, man. Yeah. There we go. Oof. Wow. Tell you what, put some anti-seize on there. So pro tip here. So pro tip is you want to have this hole. It's the same as this hole. See, it kind of lines up. I'll try and stretch my arm out. But anyway, if it doesn't, just twist it. Now, it does go loose one way, so just be aware. But you want to see how this one, I can twist the head off. You don't want that. You want this head tight, at least this side. And then all you got to do is move this one with your hands to where you want it to go. Sure that lines up. See how this is not lined up? So let's make it even with this. Now it's lined up. There to there. That's your little pro tip there, folks. Yeah, let's put this back in. Yeah, the pro tip is this side down. So this goes toward the engine. And this goes toward the top of the hood. The reason I know, because just look at the old one, right there. So yeah, that side down. Just a little dab. A little anti-seize. Dab, dab. There we go. Just a little. There you go. It snaps right in. Oh yeah. Thank you. That was a struggle. Anyway, that's up. That's not going anywhere. Really nice. Move on to the next. This side. Pas deux. The manufacturer did say that I could install this without taking out the wrapper. That'd be hard to do. Anyway, let's keep moving. It's cold here in New England. Let's pop this one out. Go. Bottoms out. Two. That was easier. All right, let's put some anti-steam on there. Should pop right in. Cool. There's one. And pas deux. Come on. Snug as a bug in a rug. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna remove the stick that's holding this hood up. The stick. Stand back, folks. All right, moment of truth. We're going to remove the stick. See, the hood holds up. Look at that. Bam! Nice. Open. Come on now. All right. If you like this kind of content, we'll help you with cost savings, the big threes, transportation, mortgage, and personal finance. We can knock out one of these, which is transportation, by doing stuff ourselves, by simply replacing our hood struts. In this video, we able to do that under $20. Doing ourselves in the driveway in New England. It's cold. You know what I'm going to ask you to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it's helped the community grow. I appreciate you guys participating in this community. I'll see you next video. You can already check out this video on how I was able to rethread the spark plug coil on this bad boy right here. All right, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.